Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to create curtain wall in Revit. So let's start. So first of all, here you have to open your architecture discipline. So in that discipline, same way, from where you will get the curtain wall option, same in architecture tab, build panel, wall. So already we have seen how to create a normal wall, like generic wall, exterior, interior, that all we have discussed. So now I want to create the curtain wall. So architecture tab, build panel, hit on this architecture wall. When you hit here in property palettes, when you hit on this drop down list, here you can see first option is given basic wall, that already we have seen. Okay, now in second option you can see here you will get the option curtain wall. Three types of wall is available: curtain wall 1, exterior glazing, and store front type of wall. That all we have to discuss. Suppose here first of all I want to start from your curtain wall. Hit on this curtain wall. Okay, now from draw panel you can select any shape. Suppose I have selected line only, and I have drawn one line here from this. And remember, in option bar you can select the level 2, how much height you want. Location line also you can do the changes as per your requirement. So suppose here I have drawn one wall like this. See, this is a curtain wall. Okay, so if you see in this, you can see it is a complete glass. Okay, and if you want to change the visual style, so from VCB, it is realistic with edges. From here you can select the hidden line as per your record, shaded. So see, I have selected it shaded. So this is a complete glass wall. Okay, now suppose if you want to give here also same thing. When you select the glass, you can increase the height. From here you will get the two drag point. Okay, as per your requirement you can increase or decrease. Same thing we have seen in generic wall also. Okay, so now the question is here, suppose if you want to apply the curtain grids between this complete glass, so what you can do, just select the glass. Okay, you will get the different option. Okay, for curtain grid, here you can see don't need to select the glass. Here in architectural tab, build panel, option is given curtain grids. If you want to give if you want to provide curtain grid, hit on this curtain grids. Okay, now when you hit on this curtain grid, in placement panel you will get the three option. All segment, you want to apply the curtain grids in all segments, so you have to use the first option. Okay, see, so first of all I am trying to here. Second is one segment. If you want to give curtain grids in one segment, okay, you can use it. Otherwise second next option is all except picked. So that all we have to see. First of all I want to show you about this all segment. So I want to place the curtain grids, or I want to provide the curtain grids in all segment. So where you want to provide curtain grid, just select it. See, you will get the grids in complete segment. Okay, vertically you want to provide the grids at what distance, 4 feet, just left click. Now here also you want to provide the curtain grid at same 4 feet only. Just here also I want to give vertically, just place the grid like this. Okay, same way now I want to I want to provide horizontal grids. So just come here, and as per your requirement you can just hit on that. So see, the grids which we are drawing, it is the curtain grids are drawn in all segments. See, when you hit, so the grids is drawn in all segment. Then to come back from the command, you have to press the escape key. Okay, so here you can see we have placed the grid. When you zoom in, see, the glass is cut from here. Okay, in this way you can manually provide the grids. Same thing, now the second option is given one segment. Suppose if you want to place the curtain grids in one segment, one by one, so hit on one segment. Now when you take the cursor, if you want to give the horizontal grids, so see, it is selecting only this segment, only single segment. But when we are using all segments, so what happening, when we take the cursor, so here the grids, complete grids will drawn in segment, but when you select the one segment, so you can draw the grids in single segment like this. Getting? Okay. Now the next one is accept picked. So what I am doing, hit on this accept picked. What is this? See, when you take the cursor, they will give you the reference. Okay, you want to draw the grids, so they have given you this section like this. Okay, so here restart grid option is also given. So see, one more time I am just showing you, just delete it and come here, curtain grids, hit on this all except picked. So here, which where you want to draw the grids, you have to select that, just select it as per your requirement. You want to place the grids here, just hit on that. Now you want to provide the grids here. Okay, you will get the reference. Okay, so I want here also grids, and here also I want grids, just select it, then enter. See, in that place you will get the grids. Okay, so in this way what happen, you will get the grids in same distance. Okay, now I don't want, so just delete. I don't want this one also, just delete it. Okay, in this way you can give the curtain grids in a glass wall. Same way, suppose now okay, grids we have given. Now I want to place the aluminum framing. If you want to give aluminum framing here in this grid, so that option is also available in architecture tab only. You can see build panel, here one option is given, mullion, curtain wall mullion. Hit on that. Now in placement panel you will get three options. Grid line, you want to place the aluminum or aluminum framing in this grid line, so you have to select the grid line. Okay, or mullion, whatever you can say. If you want to place the mullion in grid line segment, this complete segment, so you have to hit on that. Okay, and if you want to place the mullion in all grid lines, so you have to select the third option. So suppose first of all we are starting from here. Suppose I want to place, I want to provide the aluminum or aluminum framing, or you can say mullion, to this grid line. So select the grid line where you want to give the mullion. Okay, in property panels here you can see different, when you hit on this drop down here you will get the rectangular mullions, trapezoidal, corner mullions. Okay, circular mullion is also available, so as per your requirement. And in rectangle you will get the different shape, square shape is also available. So I am selecting by default whatever they have given. Okay, now where you want to provide in this grid, select the grid line where you want to provide the mullion like this. See, in this complete grid line you will get the mullion rectangle shape. See, same way here also I want to give, select this grid line here, here, here. Okay, if you want to give the mullion here also, select it like this. Here you want to give, select in this corner, select it in this corner. If you want to give here also, just select it. Okay, so in this way you can provide the mullions in this grid. Okay, now just press the Ctrl Z. Okay, so now suppose again come here in architecture tab, mullion, I'm using same grid line. Suppose from here property palace you want to give some other type like circular mullion you want to provide, so hit on that circular and select the grid line. Now you will get the circular mullion. See, okay, so different shape is available, so as per that you can provide it. Okay, now the next one is when you select it, architecture tab mullion, here the next option is grid line segment. Suppose if you want to provide the mullions in grid line segment, so you have to use the second option. Now only in one segment only you can provide the mullion whatever you want. So I want to give circular mullion here in this segment, so see the circular mullion is shown here also you want, so only in one segment you can give like this. Okay, same way now the next option is given, Suppose if you want to provide this mullion or aluminum framing in our complete grid lines, whatever we have selected here, see, I am using the Control Z to come back from the command. Okay, here we have given the grid line. In complete grid line, I want to place the mullion in one click. So what you can do, Architectural tab, Build Panel Mullion. From here you have to select all grids and select the grids line. Now see, you will get the mullions in your complete. So you can change the shape as per your requirement. Select it or whatever. You can give the shape as per your requirement. Okay. In this way, you can provide the mullion. Suppose now from here I have deleted this. Okay. Suppose here I want to give some other shape like circular shape mullion in this portion in top of this glass. So architectural tab, build panel mullion, here, okay, grid line I have selected, and from property palette I have selected this circular mullion and just select this grid line. See, here we have given this circular and this is of rectangular. Same way now just select this. Suppose here the circular mullion or aluminum framing which we have drawn, if you want to run, if you want to draw continuously this here, continuously circular mullion, if you want to give in the top, select this mullions, circular mullion. Here you can see in modify tab, mullions panel, make continuous. Okay, so when you hit on this make continuous, automatically see here this rectangular mullions will cut and circular will drawn continuously. Okay, in this way you can do the setting. If you want to delete any of the mullions, select that mullions. From here delete option is given, delete it. Okay, again you can provide it as per your requirement. Okay, so this is the first option of creating curtain wall first. Now come here to next one. In architecture tab, build panel wall, when you hit on this wall, come here in property palettes, we have seen about the curtain wall, complete glass wall. Okay, manually you can provide the curtain grids, aluminum framing means mullion to that wall. Now the next one is exterior glazing. See, from here I have selected now exterior glazing. What is this? Now I am trying to draw the wall. So level 1 we have started up to where you have to draw level 2. Okay, just draw one wall like this. Okay, see, in this wall what is the difference between this curtain wall? So here when you are we have drawn, you will get the complete one single glass wall, but when you draw this one, when you are taking this curtain wall exterior glazing, automatically here you will get the grids also. By default they will give you the grids. Okay, see, grids is shown na? So manually also if you want to provide the grids, okay, you can do it. Just hit on architecture tab, grid, curtain grids. If you want to in all segments, select all segment and you can provide the grids like this. Okay, but by default some grids is available here. Getting? Same way here also you can apply the aluminum or mullions, whatever. Okay, different shape. So this is the main difference between this wall. Now come to next one, hit on this wall. The next is curtain wall. Under this store front, select that wall. Now see, store front, I am trying to draw the wall here. See, in this store front automatically you will get everything, glass also, grids and aluminum framing also, complete this thing you will get. Okay, so this is the difference between this three curtain wall. Okay, here you will get the complete only the glass wall, here you will get the glass wall with grids, and in a storefront you will get the glass wall plus framing, aluminum framing plus grid, etc. Okay, now suppose here in this storefront glass wall you want to do the setting. Suppose as per your requirement you want to change the size of this mullion, whatever this vertical grids, horizontal grid size. Okay, you can do the changes. Select that complete curtain wall from the drawing. Edit type option is given, hit on that. Here see, in edit type what happening, construction everything is given. you have to come here in vertical grids. Okay, so in vertical grids layout, under this layout, maximum spacing is given. What is this? See, try to understand here. Just place the wall here. Okay, now select it, edit type, and come here. Okay, so maximum spacing, it is shown in layout. It means what? Whatever length of this complete wall you have taken, so see, in one segment it will take maximum how much spacing? 5 feet. Less than 5 feet is okay to equal that all segment it will take. You can, from here you can select fixed number, also fixed distance. If you want to take the fixed distance, select the fixed distance, what distance you want to give between this vertical grids from year to year. Suppose I want to give 4 feet or 3 feet. Just apply. Now see, the distance between this vertical feet grids is now 3 feet. Okay, in this way you can they can distribute. Okay, so now I am just here using maximum spacing or whatever we have seen, 5 feet. Just take it. Okay, you can change the size like this. So here I am giving 5 feet. Apply. Now see, it will distribute. The distance between vertical grids is 5 feet now. Same way you can use the next option, horizontal grids. Here they have given fixed distance. How much? 8 feet. So that is why from means 8 feet means what? The distance between this horizontal grids, this grids to this grid, it is 8 feet. Okay, if you want to reduce like 4 feet, apply. Now here you will get one more mullions in horizontal direction. The distance between this point, this horizontal grid to this one is 4 feet, again 4 feet, because the total height of this wall is 10 feet, so remaining 2 feet they will give you like this. Okay, in this way you can do the changes. Now come here in vertical mullions. I am pressing the Ctrl Z, just select. Next option is also given, edit type. So in horizontal grids I am just taking 8 feet only. Okay, apply it. Now you can see the horizontal distance is given. Now in vertical mullions, this one vertical mullions which we have drawn, interior type you can change it from here. It is shown by default 2.5 inch into 5 inch. If you want to change, you can change it what you want. Interior type, if you want circular mullion interior, select it circular, apply. See, you will get the circular shape mullion here in interior. Okay, if you don't want, you can just select. If you want square, select it square and hit on apply. Now see, you will get the square type of mullion. Okay, same way you can change the border type 1 border also. If you want to change the border, okay, you can change what you want. Same way in horizontal mullion also, you want to change the interior type. Suppose we have selected rectangular 2.5 inch by 5 inch. You want to give circular, select, apply. Now see, here in horizontal you will get the circular mullion. Clear? If you want to confirm, see, here in horizontal you will get the circular. Okay, now but see, it is not joined. This circular is not joined. If you want to join it, what you have to do? Select it, use the make continuous. Now see, the circular mullion is joined. Same way here also you have to do same thing, just join. Okay, so in this way we can do the changes. Now again select edit type. Other option is also given. You can use all option as per your requirement. So in this way we have to make curtain wall in Revit. I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.